In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job board on Squarespace. We'll be using Elf Site to create the job board widget, then we'll embed it into your Squarespace site using a code block. This is a simple way to display open positions on your website without needing to build a custom careers page from scratch. First, go to your Elf Site dashboard. Once you're there, open the catalog so you can browse the available widgets. In the search bar, type "plan" to quickly narrow down the list, then select the job board widget from the results. Next, choose a template to start with. Templates give you a ready-made layout, which can save time and make setup easier, especially if you want something professional looking right away. After picking the one you like, click to continue with that template. Now it's time to add your first listing. Click Add Job, then fill in the job details. You'll want to enter the title, company, department, location, contact type, apply link, and the job description. Make sure these details are clear and accurate, since this is what your visitors will use to understand the role and apply. Once everything is entered, click Done to save that posting. If you want to include more job openings, just click Add Job again and repeat the process for each one. This makes it easy to build out a full job board with multiple positions. When you're finished adding jobs, click Publish. Elf Site may then ask you to choose a plan. If you're using the free option, click Select under the free plan. After that, you'll see the installation code for your widget. Click Copy Code so it's saved to your clipboard. From here, switch over to Squarespace and open the page where you want the job board to appear. Click Add Block, then use the search field and type code. Select the code block from the options. Once the block has been added, click the pencil icon to edit it, and then paste in the code you copied from Elf Site. At that point, your job board should be ready to embed on the page. One important thing to keep in mind is that if the widget doesn't appear, you may need to upgrade your Squarespace plan, since some plans limit code embedding features. And that's it. You've created a job board in Elf Site, copied the embed code, and added it directly into Squarespace.